Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best fly fishing reels. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss fly fishing reels which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Lamson Liquid Fly Reel. The Lamson Liquid Fly Reel is an outstanding choice of reel for virtually any style fly fisherman due to its sealed drag, robust construction and gorgeous aesthetic. New and experienced anglers alike will love the performance of this bad boy. If you're a novice angler, you'll continue to fish with this one long after you start to upgrade your gear. This one's a bit pricier than the other options on this list, but it's a high-quality reel at a mid-quality price, so we wanted to turn you into it. The Lamson Liquid is a rugged, pressure-cast aluminum reel that is built with CNC machined drag system components. It's the best of both worlds. This is a high-performance reel disguised as a lower-end option due to the price point that's super versatile and worth owning for a wide array of fishing scenarios. If you've got the fishing funds to spring for this one, then you're looking at a killer piece of hardware that you'll own for years. For those seeking the best bang for their buck, this is our top pick of the litter. Number 2. Reddington Behemoth Fly Fishing Reel. The Behemoth by Reddington is an excellent and surprisingly affordable option for a reel that can handle powerful, line-peeling fish in both fresh and saltwater. As the name implies, Reddington has employed a seriously powerful carbon fiber drag system that's up for the task of fighting exceptionally powerful fish. This bad boy could stop an 8-year-old on a bicycle, 30 pounds of torque. I've battled a 9-foot blue shark on a 12WT with this reel, and the drag held up through the duration of the fight, applying ample resistance to the fish. The Behemoth is built with a die-cast construction and a large arbor design. It's built for speedy retrieves and also to reduce line memory, so keeping up with sizzling hot tarpon, salmon, bonefish, and redfish, to name a few particularly frisky species, is no problem. The carbon fiber drag is up for the biggest challenges and is conveniently built with an oversized adjustment dial for easy handling when things get wild. It's furthermore got a tough-looking, yet neutral aesthetic that should pair nicely with virtually any rod. If you need to make the switch, this reel will convert over to a right-handed retrieve easily. Number 3. Orvis Clearwater Large Arbor Fly Reel. The Orvis Clearwater reel is the brand's entry-level option of fly reel that's built with easy operation and versatility in mind. There's no such thing as a cheapo Orvis product, so rest assured this is a reliable piece of hardware despite the low cost. The Clearwater is a cast aluminum large arbor reel built with fast line pickup in mind. It employs a Reddington stainless steel, stacked disc drag that has some pretty serious strength. Reddington plastics are renowned for their low friction and abrasion resistance, so the materials employed in the design have no doubt been mindfully chosen for optimum performance. There's a positive click drag knob for maintaining consistent setting so your reel never strays from where you want it to be. I personally think the clicker on this reel has an awesome, classic sound that I could listen to all day. Pros: lightweight die-cast reel, great for pairing with dainty rods. Unique construction, is built to take a beating. Powerful inline, Reddington stainless, stacked disc drag. Cons: no color options. Number 4. Maxcatch Fly Fishing Reel. The Avid is another great budget buy from Maxcatch, quite comparable to the Toro previously listed. That's a solid choice for lighter freshwater applications. This reel is rated very well by anglers for having a smooth retrieve. It's made of NCM machined 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, so it's designed for high-impact durability. The machined aluminum furthermore holds up to corrosion nicely long-term. The Avid is a mid-arbor design featuring a good balance between backing capacity and rapid line pickup, making it a versatile option overall. The Teflon disc and stainless steel drag system employs a one-way clutch bearing for immediate drag engagement, while a large drag adjustment is easy to locate during the heat of a battle. These style Teflon/stainless steel drag systems are definitely not my favorite, but you get what you pay for. All 5 color options have an awesome aesthetic, and the design of the frame itself is both sleek and tough. Another solid backup reel or novice option at a great price point. Pros: easy switch from left to right hand retrieve. Sharp color selection. 3-year warranty. Cons: issues with the drag disengaging. Number 5. Reddington Rise Fly Fishing Reel. The Reddington Rise may be a bit pricier than most of the other affordable options listed here, but we still find it to be an excellent value based on its lifetime warranty and sealed carbon fiber drag system. I really enjoy fishing with this option. I know a lot of experienced fly fishermen who own this reel and swear by it. It's a great reel at a great price that pairs well with a wide array of rods. The Rise furthermore has a sleek and modern looking aesthetics, making for a pretty sharp looking reel. There are even a few different color options for customizing your look. This is an aluminum reel with a tough carbon fiber drag system. This reel comes as a 3/4 WT up to a 9 out of 10 weight. It's really geared towards trout and salmonid fishing, but the 5/6 WT makes for a great bass reel. I would also absolutely consider the 9/10 WT for chasing some saltwater species due to the drag system on this reel. Just make sure to always rinse your reel with fresh water after fishing in the ocean. Pros: compact and smooth sealed carbon fiber drag system. Large arbor design for rapid line retrieval. Easily converts to right or left hand retrieve. Cons: instruction not clear. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.